Latest social media updates. X/Twitter is shutting down Circles next month. Google now allows Gmail users on Android to delete up to 50 emails at once with Select All option. PhonePe launches Indus Appstore, zero fee, made in India. WhatsApp introduces channel status alert for creators. Google Cloud adds service for managing Terraform deployments. Meta's AI chatbot plan includes a sassy robot for younger users. Spotify may finally launch the hi-fi subscription plan it teased in 2021. Spotify introduces free songwriter promo cards. GitHub announces the general availability of Passkey Support. Google launches a watermark to identify AI-generated images. Jet partners with LinkedIn to help event organizers build communities. TikTok search starts showing Google results. Netflix documentary Made You Look to be turned into an all-reveal book. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry officially break ties with Spotify after trademark rejection. Amazon Prime Video to start running ads soon. For more digital trends, visit karanvalidi.com.